Hi there, it's Amela with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful fragrance that I love to use, and it's amazing. This is the Hermes Le Jardin de Monsieur Eau de Toilette Spray, 3.4 ounce. This is literally one of the best fragrances that I have, since it's very delicate and sweet and soft. I like to apply it on my clothes as it is long lasting and my clothes can smell like for days, and I love that. I also like to apply a little bit of the perfume on my neck. It has a fruity scent and smells like flowers, which lives up to its name, jardin. So it's wonderful, it's beautiful, I love that. To me personally, it's not like a tiring or saturating scent, since it is soft and sweet. So I could easily use it on a daily basis. So if you want to smell elegant and you love the scent of fruits and flowers, I highly recommend this one. This is the Hermes Le Jardin de Monsieur Eau de Toilette, 3.4 ounce. I love to use it and I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.